Mon histoire commence à Moscou. J'avais 15 ans. Mon meilleur ami et moi faisions partie d'un groupe de occidentaux visitant l'Union soviétique. C'était en 1987, quelques années avant la chute du régime communiste.
What language is he speaking in this video? Imagine being able to speak 8 languages fluently. You could learn so many different languages if you are willing to invest years in learning them all. It's not like I am pulling your leg. The video was originally in English and you heard about this super smooth AI double picture which allows you to translate any video with just one click. Pretty cool, huh? Yes, AI has advanced to the point where it can now lip synchronize and translate videos. No joke. Want to know how I did it? That's exactly what I am about to show you. With just a few clicks, I will walk you through the process of translating any video into any language. Today I am going to introduce you to a fantastic tool called Verbo AI, which was developed by the people at Wondershare. It's known for its high-end features, affordability, and ability to make the process of creating and translating videos as simple as pie. Stay tuned, my friend, because I have some information about how you can make money translating videos for producing AI avatar videos with a variety of voiceover. But today we are concentrating on its stellar AI video translator feature, which employs incredibly lifelike voice cloning. Simply create an account on Wondershare and you will be greeted with this incredible mindful interface. Check out this AI tool that can make an entire AI avatar video for you. As you can see, it has a ton of pre-made incredibly lifelike AI avatars that you can use to create both short and long videos. Best of all, you can even sort the avatars by gender or category. When you click on Create a video, you will be taken to an incredibly user-friendly editor where you can either type in your script or have the AI write one for you. Selecting scenes, choosing from the AI avatars, and exploring other neat features is a breeze. However, today we are going to concentrate on the video translation feature, so let's get started by clicking on Translate Video here. To use this demo, all you have to do is upload your video. Here is a video from YouTube I have downloaded.
My story starts in Moscow. I was 15 years old. My best friend and I, we were part of a group of Westerners visiting the Soviet Union.
First, select the original language of your video, in my case, English, then select the language you want to translate it into. For this instance, I am going with Italian. Simply hit generate and watch as Verbo works its magic, translating the video and cloning the voice while also adding automatic subtitles and proofreading the script in the target language. Lip synchronize feature is coming soon. Let's play our video in which you can see this speaking Italian fluently while maintaining the original background music and lip smacking.
La mia storia inizia a Mosca. Avevo 15 anni. Il mio migliore amico ed io eravamo parte di un gruppo di occidentali in visita nell'Unione Sovietica. Questo fu nel 1987, pochi anni prima.
We can also translate this video into other languages. This time I will choose French. Now let's have a look.
Mon histoire commence à Moscou. J'avais 15 ans. Mon meilleur ami et moi faisions partie d'un groupe de occidentaux visitant l'Union soviétique. C'était en 1987, quelques années avant la chute du régime communiste.
We will be able to translate the Spanish video into English because of Verbo's flawless video translation.
Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Quieres tu recibo?
I will set Spanish as the original language and English as the target language. Keep these settings on, hit generate. And here is the outcome you like.
Hello? Hello, how are you? Good, thanks. And you very well? Thanks. What are you receive? Yes.
Now let's try this Urdu language poetry.
वो जज्बों की तिजारत थी, ये दिल कुछ और समझा था। उसे हंसने की आदत थी, ये दिल कुछ और समझा था। मुझे उसने कहा आओ नई दुनिया बसाते हैं, उसे सूझी एक शरारत थी, ये दिल कुछ और समझा था।
I will select Urdu as an original language and English as a target. Now let's check it out.
It was a trade of passions. The heart understood something else. She had a habit of laughing. The heart understood something else. She told me, let's create a new world. She had a mischievous thought. The heart understood something else.
It's amazing to see how easy and realistic it is to use artificial intelligence to translate a video into any language. Now let me explain how you can take advantage of these features first. Please do me a favor, locate the red subscribe button beneath this video and click it to schedule a follow-up meeting. Additionally, don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Given the workload and frequency of update, if you have a YouTube channel, listen up. You can use this AI tool to create a second channel or another playlist with translated videos to reach non-English speakers. Although YouTube Shorts will be simpler to use, you can also use it for long-form content. Here is an even more fascinating concept. This could be offered as a service. Reach out to YouTubers, provide a revenue sharing model. Many content creators would like to do this but lack the time or know-how. You could be the one to fill this gap. Offer to create second channels for them, translate and post their videos in different languages. You can offer this service on freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, where there is a high demand for video translation. And you can download the Verbo Translator app to your desktop and use it on your phone. Gap starts with smaller YouTuber, so even one deal could be a big win. I am rooting for all of you hustlers out there, and don't forget that this AI girl will be back with more in the next video. See you. If you have any questions or would like me to make another in-depth video on how to create realistic AI speaking avatar videos on Verbo, please leave a comment below and I will make sure to answer it. Nothing great comes without consistent effort, and creativity. Become a reliable source people can trust by delivering quality service on time. Remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.